In this video, we'll show you how to enable and test push notifications in the tawk.to mobile app for iOS, so you're always ready to reply. Step 1. Open the app and configure settings. Open the tawk.to app and sign in. Tap the U icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll to Settings, tap App Settings, then tap Notifications and Sounds. Make sure all notification and sound toggles are switched on. Step 2. Enable iOS system notifications. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap Notifications, then tap tawk.to. Make sure Allow Notifications is on. You can also choose how alerts appear and configure their lock screen appearance. Step 3. Run a push notification test. Back in the app, scroll to Push Notification Troubleshooting and tap Test Notifications. Then tap Start Push Notification Test. A confirmation message should appear on your device. And that's it. Your iPhone is now set to receive push notifications from tawk.to. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.